Hi everybody, it's Steve from Crofton Yoga and Wellness, and today we're going to talk about a breathing technique called the extended exhale. And the extended exhale is something that we would use to allow ourselves to calm down, bring our nervous system out of that place that we get into, and allow us to experience a better way of thinking and a better way of feeling in our own body. So ultimately, you're exhaling longer than you inhale. And this has been studied by places like Stanford, National Institute of Health, and time again, everybody agrees the more that you stimulate the more that you stimulate the diaphragm to go down and do that what we would call three-part breathing or dirga pranayama, the better the body is, because we're getting the blood to come down. It's less stuck up here in the chest, so less hypertension, better digestion. We also sleep and rest better from this place. So I'm going to lead you through the 3 rounds of it, and I personally am going to use the count of inhale for 4, exhale for 6. If that's too much for you and you need to do a little bit less, that's absolutely fine. If you say, hey Steve, I'm in great shape and I want to inhale for 8 and exhale for 12, go for it. Have a good time. Make it yours, but ultimately pay attention to how you feel. Pay attention to how you feel right now before we get ready to start, and then check in again with yourself after we're done. So ready? Here we go, and let's inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, check in with yourself. How do you feel now compared to how you did just a minute ago? We're going to go through 2 more rounds of this and check in one more time as we inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And check in. I know it was simple, I know it was quick, but it can make a profound change. And then if you have a little bit more time and you do it for a little bit longer, let's say you did it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you would notice the effect would be even more profound in your body, and you'd say, oh, yeah, I want to invite more of this. So I invite you to try this more throughout your day, throughout your week. And if you get stuck in places like traffic or stuck in line in a store somewhere, it's a great place to do it then as well. So I hope you have a great day on purpose, and I hope to see you again next time.